All right, we're back on the record in 2025 CR 001454, State versus Dejanay Miller, Havana. Can I have parties re-announced, please?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Jody Sawyer's the defense.
All right, is there any other evidence to be presented by either side?
No, by the state.
And not by the defense.
All right, court will hear brief argument.
Thank you. Your Honor, first off,
Yes,
Did y'all reserve, then you look at.
all right.
first off, we're not condoning the behavior, but I think we need to keep it in perspective. I understand that a video caused sensational backlash, but the reality is there's no visible injuries to the dog. The dog was not physically maimed in any way. And when you think about that, in our justice system, we don't really honor an eye for an eye.
Mhm.
But in this case, probably the more appropriate punishment, in addition to having been humiliated socially. And that is a huge thing. This has been a very difficult situation for her to live through, being threatened and all of that. But, it's a flaccid leash. And when I went to high school, they did corporate punishment. I don't see, if this is so egregious, then the punishment really should match the crime and have her ordered to be struck 17 times with the same leash that she struck the dog with. That's more appropriate. But I disagree with the fact that the state is asking for a jail sanction here. This young lady has no prior criminal history. She is got straight A's. She is employed. And again, like I said, neither she nor I are condoning her behavior, where she's taking responsibility for it, but it needs to be kept in perspective. In regards to her being a first-time offender, no rehabilitation or mental health has been given to her at this stage. So I believe that would be appropriate. I am asking the court to consider the fact that torture, while the court has found that it is sufficiently met, the elements sufficiently met here, there is no lesser included, and it doesn't even require bodily injury. So on the scale of